Open Trotters are lined up for tonight's third race to kick off the pick three, a six-pack. The Ron Gate. And they're off. Gambler's Vacation charges out from the center of the track. Chinese Cuisine, the favorite, left alertly from the outside. Master Host protects inside position as they trot into that opening turn, and Chinese Cuisine continues that march to take over the lead from Gambler's Vacation, who came away in second. Master Host back in third as they trot midway around the opening turn. Beekeeper trots 5 lengths off the lead from fourth in front of Sister Gola. Rome is the trailer, single file. Past that opening marker, 28-4. Chinese Cuisine trying to make it 3 in a row. And back-to-back here at the Red Mile. He's the 1-9 favorite, and he continues to call the shots as they trot towards the half. Gambler's Vacation races tightly to the inside second. Master Host still content to track in third. Beekeeper is next in line fourth. Sister Gola, the lone mare, remains in fifth. Rome continues on as the trailer, the favorite, getting plenty of respect here as they trot towards the half. It's Chinese Cuisine who strolls past that half-mile marker, 57-4. 29 seconds for that second quarter, so a well-rated Chinese Cuisine still on top as they trot onto the far turn. Gambler's Vacation begins to gap off slightly in second. Master Host now fires up on the outside third. Beekeeper continues to save ground fourth in front of Sister Gola, but it's Chinese Cuisine who continues on top midway around the far turn. Master Host now up on the outside into second. Gambler's Vacation is going to have to pick it up from third as Beekeeper moves to the outside fourth. Sister Gola 3 wide fifth. They trot past three quarters, 126-2. It's Chinese Cuisine who now stretches out to a 3-length lead. Master Host is under a drive there in second as Beekeeper moves out of the center of the track, but as they come down to the finish, Chinese Cuisine just out for a Saturday night stroll. Chinese Cuisine is going to take it easily. Master Host will hold second, going to be tight for third. Look like Beekeeper on the outside, 155-3.